Do you want to make your voice sound like a futuristic robot? Well, CapCut Mobile makes it easy to transform your audio with built-in voice effects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a robot voice effect step by step. First, open CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap Add to import it in your editing timeline. Tap the audio and add voice recording or create one using voiceover feature. With the voice track selected, swipe through the editing tools and tap Voice Effects. CapCut offers a variety of effects that can change the sound of your voice in just one tap. Browse for the available voice effects or search for robot. Tap the effect to preview it. Then tap the check mark to apply the change to your audio. Now, press the play button to hear the new voice effect. And there you have it! That's how you add robot voice effect in CapCut Mobile. Edit smarter, sound cooler. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy editing. God bless.